If you're shopping for your dream piece of jewelry to wear to that special event, that perfect piece you want to gift someone special, or that you want to add to your personal collection, I'm going to tell you 6 secrets most jewelry companies won't tell you. I'm going to tell you the best way to have your jewelry made exactly as you want it with someone you can trust. And at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how you can have the maintenance of your jewelry paid for a lifetime so it always looks like new, as well as how you can save over 50% on heirloom quality custom jewelry.
Of course, when it comes to such an important purchase, you need someone that you can trust with your jewelry. Our advisors have been working as industry insiders with major box stores and huge name brand companies for decades. So if the industry can trust them, you can too. Our lead custom advisors have collectively over 100 years of experience. Many of the big name brands have outsourced work to us and consulted with us on custom designs. Think of jewelry brands everyone knows and you've seen commercials on TV for. We've probably done work for them. So our clients come straight to us to get their jewelry made instead of going to the big name brands and getting the huge markups. Likely you've already checked our website and you know that we're trustworthy. But still, we want to show you our vast experience and background so that you feel even more comfortable with your experience with us.
One of the most popular things we hear from clients when they come to us is, "Can you make this?" Many clients can't find exactly what they want in any store or online. Clients often like different features of multiple rings that they want to incorporate into one ring, or they realize that jewelry sold in stores is one of thousands, and stores just stock another identical piece once it's sold. Bling Advisor solves this problem by incorporating all the design elements you want into one dream ring using CAD. CAD are digital images that you'll receive of your dream ring's design after you've scheduled your appointment and met with your advisor. Then you can make any edits or enhancements to these images with your jewelry designer until it's perfect and you get exactly what you want. When you do a custom design with Bling Advisor, you can get your jewelry designed exactly as you want it to all your specifications. But maybe you just have one inspiration photo or a sketch for how you want your jewelry to look, instead of several. That's perfectly fine. Many clients come to us with one image knowing exactly what they want, and we've brought their jewelry vision to life for them better than they ever imagined. So you're probably thinking, how do I start the custom process? After scheduling an appointment with us, you'll share any inspiration photos you have of your jewelry that you want to create. Most of our clients have inspiration photos from places like Pinterest, or they even have a sketch of the jewelry they want to have made. At Bling Advisor, you'll be assigned an expert advisor that will guide you through the custom process. Stress-free, we'll answer all your questions and will provide all the expert advice you need in order to finish with the jewelry you've been dreaming of. Our custom process has helped thousands of clients just like you create the jewelry that they can't stop thinking about. We know you don't have a lot of time to figure it out, and you want an expert to help you. Maybe you've gone to a jewelry store and didn't feel the salespeople were that helpful or knowledgeable, or you sense they worked on commission. When you choose Bling Advisor, you'll have an appointment with someone who actually makes jewelry and not someone who just sells jewelry. Even after your purchase, we can take care of any maintenance or other jewelry needs you may have for life. But maybe you already do know exactly how to get started. Congratulations! We love helping our clients who know exactly what they want, and with our large network of industry resources, we can help you design your dream jewelry and source the exact gemstone you're looking for to make the wisest investment. We have so many examples where we were able to source a much better quality diamond for the same price as a big name brand, or in other cases save clients thousands. Instead of your money going towards a company's overhead, we can help you invest your money into a bigger center stone and/or a higher quality piece overall. And, of course, you want the jewelry to impress everyone that sees you wearing it, or you want the person that you gifted the new piece to be so proud and for everyone they show it off to be impressed. If you're gifting a jewelry piece to someone, you definitely don't want them to be disappointed in what you got them. But when you choose Bling Advisor, they will love their new jewelry and it will impress her and all her friends, not just because it's exactly what she wanted and it's so sparkly and gorgeous, but you'll be able to say, "I had it custom made." The benefit of our custom process are the computer renders and resin models that you'll receive to ensure the jewelry matches the vision you provided us with. The wax model allows you to hold an exact replica of what your jewelry will look like in your hands and approve it before the final piece is created. When the jewelry is delivered, we always hear something like, "It's better than I could have ever imagined." With the wax model of your jewelry that you'll receive, if you can see it with your own eyes and hold it in your own hands, you know you're gonna love the final piece. But maybe you're not worried about impressing anyone. Maybe you don't care about a bigger stone and you're more interested in a unique design. We've had many clients just like you, and they were blown away with the final results of the jewelry we helped them design.
You also may be thinking, I'm worried what quality I'll get designing online. Or how do I know the quality of the diamond I'm getting online? I want something I can pass down to my family. We would agree with that. Whether you buy online or from a brick and mortar store, there's good and bad companies. That's exactly why we always vet all our online vendors before buying to make sure everything is high quality. You shouldn't have to sacrifice quality for convenience. And by going with Bling Advisor instead of a big name brand company, you will get the same quality, or in many cases, even better quality. So we recommend the best care plan, metals, and design enhancements to ensure your piece can be handed down to the next generation. Bling Advisor works with companies that have been doing the custom work and jewelry repairs that the big name brand jewelry companies can't do, and so they outsource the work to us. And we have repaired and restored thousands of poorly made rings with poor design that didn't last. So we know exactly where jewelry designs need to be improved to be heirloom quality and last for generations. By using our online jewelry platform, you will get access to these jewelry experts to create your jewelry. Many big name jewelry companies cut corners to save on cost in order to create more profit, but Bling Advisor actually does just the opposite. We look for areas to add integrity and additional structure and metal weight so your jewelry will last longer. Certified diamonds have also leveled the playing field and removed quality concerns. We have a concierge diamond service with global sourcing platforms that provide a certificate on each diamond. Because you'll have a personal advisor and we have access to multiple gemologists working with the industry's best resources to locate the most bling for your budget, you don't have to worry. You think it's working well for you to go to a big brand store, but you're probably overpaying, getting something a million other people have, and getting something lower quality or poorly made. In our decades of experience, we have had a lot of clients come to us with complaints about just that, quality versus price they're receiving elsewhere. Everyone wants the best quality they can get for their budget they have. Even if you're someone who loves and is completely confident shopping online, if you compare us to other online jewelers, some of the additional benefits of working with us are things like the exceptional personalized service while designing from the comfort of your own home and speaking with a real advisor who is in charge of creating your piece instead of someone who only sells jewelry. We know that you're going to be thrilled not only with the quality of your diamond, but with the piece overall and being able to turn your jewelry into a family heirloom.
You may have heard that custom is expensive, or you're frustrated because you've received high quotes on the jewelry you would like to have made. In contrast to most chain stores, Bling Advisor has a fair, transparent pricing model and global sourcing platforms for natural and lab-created diamonds and gemstones. Because of this, almost everybody is getting their dream diamond size and jewelry with us. When you schedule an appointment with us and share a picture of your dream jewelry, we'll give you a quote and you'll see the benefit of going custom with us. On average, we save our clients 30 to 53% for the same quality or better than big name brands. You can have your dream diamond size for less than most people are currently paying and feel good about investing your money wisely. Lab-grown diamonds give people the option to have their dream jewelry in diamond size and stay within their budget. This sounds crazy, but for example, I'm currently looking at an ideal cut F-color VVS2 2.3 carat earth mine diamond that's being sold for over $37,000 at one of the most popular engagement ring retailers. But we're able to source the same exact grade with a GIA certificate, excellent cut, 2.3 carat ethically sourced lab-grown diamond for $5,900. That right there is over a $31,000 difference, and that happens every day for our clients. What could you do with that extra amount? After all, just because you spent more money on something doesn't make it better. Just compare what $1 million home looks like right now compared to 10 years ago. And we know not everybody will want a lab-grown diamond, nor do we even believe that lab-grown diamonds are inherently better than natural. We do source both for our clients. What's most important here is the very real possibility of you getting your dream-sized diamond and jewelry for your budget, and that is possible for you when you choose Bling Advisor.
And here at Bling Advisor, we offer something that's really unheard of in the industry: custom jewelry packages. Our custom packages provide you extra value on your custom jewelry, and we save you over $700 from what you will pay elsewhere. With your custom purchase, we offer a lifetime care plan that's backed by Jewelers Mutual that will take care of the maintenance of your piece for a lifetime and keep it looking just like new. Without a care plan, if something happens to your jewelry, you will be responsible for thousands of dollars of repairs. If other companies do have jewelry care plans, repairs and maintenance take several weeks or sometimes even months, while our turnaround is usually 7 to 10 days. When you purchase your jewelry with us, we can take care of any maintenance or repairs in-house, all in one place for a lifetime. Or you can choose to go to an approved JM jeweler in-network to do the work wherever is close to home.
If you want to have your family, friends, and associates dying over and admiring your new jewelry, and join the group of people that are getting their dream jewelry now with a lifetime of happiness every time they look down to admire their new custom piece, then schedule an appointment with us. And remember, it takes at least 4 weeks to make custom jewelry, so book your appointment today.